So here we go. This is the Class 08 shunter update. Thought I'd just show you it off with the buffers, which I've painted. I've got to connect the connecting rods now. Doesn't that look like business? So, if you cast back and have a look at it when this first turned up, it was a bit of a pile of poo. And now, it's lovely, isn't it? So, you know, you can turn trash to treasure. You really can. You know, like 2 engines for a couple of quid. And, like, you know, as soon as I've got those ladders sorted out and that, and you know, if I can find a box for it, like, that'd be brilliant. But I think that is a worthy addition. You can see the detail of the buffers there. They're made out of like some sort of soft, like, you know, probably something's been melting up, like die-cast metal cars or something. And there you go. I've not even had to touch up the buffer bars, but don't that look spot on? So the next thing is to like just put a bit of weathering on the radiators and the intakes and stuff, and you know, just give it a bit of ambience. I'm gonna like look at putting some little dots of red and white paint, like because you had like tail lights, and see those 4 light there. They're your forward and your tail lights, and you'd have one white, one red at the back. And I'm also going to paint red in those, see those little black squares, right? I'm going to paint those in, and that one there, I'm going to actually finish that off so it doesn't show up. And I may even, like, you know, like get a vacuum pipe or something, like, I don't know, put some bagpipes on it. And there you go, couple of quid turned into something quite nice. It's just so responsive. Oh, there you go. Like, there's what's been going on with the 08 shunter. Catch you in the next one.